What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you're all doing well and I hope you're all having an awesome day. Sorry if I sound a bit low today because I'm traveling somewhere and I forgot my mic, and that has happened second time in a row and I hate that. So excuse my voice if I sound a bit low today. In today's video, I'm going to go through nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil. But before that, as usual on weekend's video, I'm going to talk about the trades I have taken this week, the trades we have taken in the priority group, the trades we have entered using the major area of value. And I want to show you how you can enter the trade once the market hit this area of value and the way you can manage your trades if the market is trending upwards or downwards. So it was an awesome week in the priority group. We took 4 trades and all 4 of them are the winners. But these are not the only trades I personally trade. I send you these trade alerts so that members can learn out of these trade alerts. They can look at the pattern and they can look at the conditions so that they can understand the entries and take the exact same trades happening in the market. And trust me guys, we got tons of opportunities in the market only by using these 2 strategies which I teach you here on my YouTube channel and in my priority group. And nat gas trade was the perfect example of that. We took 1 trade in the priority group and we had the same exact condition in the Forex pairs. So that is why guys, I want you to learn out of the group. If you are learning my course, then you have a full trading plan. You learn the other strategies as well. But if you are just in my priority group, you need to look at this pattern, follow these pattern very closely so that you can able to take the trades in the other financial market. And if you're still confused, you can still DM me. You can always DM me and ask me if I'm taking a right trade or not. That is why you are paying in this group. There are tons of signal groups in the market that can send you so many signals so that they can make money off you. They can make money off from the brokers. But I purely want you guys to learn out of these trade alerts. That is why I do not support signal groups. I want you guys to learn by looking at the conditions and the patterns. So with that being said, let me show you the trade we have taken here on nat gas. Right here on 1 hour time frame. So we had this entry condition I've sent to members. We had this double bottom entry pattern and the price rejected from this zone, from this rejection area, twice, making this a valid double bottom pattern. And there are more conditions that I look to enter the trade that forms a strong signal that members are learning. Now, very interesting thing I want to show you here as well. As you see, I've sent this trade alert right here, double bottom pattern. What do we have here in a Forex pair? So this was another trade alert I've sent to members. Now, if you're not a member, you can still learn by looking at this video and you can still learn by watching my videos on YouTube. But if you want to learn more in details, then the priority group is for you. And if you want to learn the full trading plan, then you have a MMTA full course where you will learn the other strategies as well. So now right here, what do we have? I have sent this trade alert to members and the exact situation happened, exact condition happened. We had this double bottom pattern. We entered this trade. And as you can see, the price did push up 132 pips. That is still where I've managed my trade. The initial targets were 1-to-1 right here, 86 pips. But I've managed this trade up to 132 pips. Now the way you can manage the trade is just going back on a high time frame. I entered on 1 hour time frame. So if go back on 4 hour time frame, I knew that we had a level of resistance above the price, something like this. So I decided to exit my trade when the market was here, and I knew that the market is about to hit zone above and 50 EMA as well. So that is why I've taken my profit right here. So all you need to do, if you're entering on a smaller time frame, go back on a high time frame and look if there's a level of resistance or support there. And if there is, you can manage your trade till that level and exit your trades accordingly. So this was one of the entry pattern and this major zone right here I've been sending to my priority members from last 4 to 5 weeks, I guess, and we've been waiting for the price to break out either above or break out either below to enter of a counter trade. But this week the price dramatically pushed down in the zone we've been waiting for, and once the price was here, we had an entry condition, and with the patience of waiting from last few weeks, we had some nice take profit hit right here. Right here, another trade we have taken in the priority group. Now, if you follow me on YouTube, you know that when the price breaks above the level of previous resistance, it then becomes a level of support. That is what I've been telling my members, that when the price was somewhere around here and we've been waiting for the price to come back in the area of value. Once that happened with an entry condition, we will enter our trade, and that is what exactly has happened right here with this bullish candle. The price pushed up and hit our take profit right. And now the next trade I'm going to show you, I did not send that to members because, like I said, it is not a signal group. I want you guys to spot these type of entries in the other financial markets so that you can learn as well. And I'm here to help and guide. If you ask me that, Umar, if it's the right zone or if it's the right place to enter the trade, I will of course guide you through that as well. Now let me show you another trade right here, and this was a bearish trend continuation trade. Price breaks below this zone. Now this zone has become a level of trend continuation zone. Our level of previous support has become a resistance. What do we have? When the price pushed up right here, we had a nice swing high in golfer. With that, as you can see, the price easily hit 296 pips profit. The initial targets were 160 pips, but I managed my trade to this level of next support. So that is how you enter your trade with conditions, and I want to show you this trade so that you can see that with patience, with conditions, you can make money in the market, and it is not impossible to make money in the market. With that, if you see here, this was an awesome trade, a very volatile pair right here, USD against Chinese yen. I took this trade, I managed my trade right here. As you can see, that was a big target for me, and then I took another trade right here, managed my trade till the next level of support, and then as you can see, the price is bouncing up from here. So that is how you make money. That is how the professional traders make money, and the struggling traders, they just cash in the market, donating money, giving money to the professional traders, giving money to the banks. That is why I always stress you guys to look for these conditions and enter your trade with the condition. And this is your hard-earned money, guys. If you are just throwing your money out there in the market, if it is your rent money and you just want to double your money to become quick rich, then trust me guys, market is really cruel. You can't fight with the market. I would never ever suggest anyone to trade with the money that you need to use. Let's say next month you need to pay for the rent, or you need to pay for your bills, or any other necessity you need to pay with that. I would say only trade with the money that you afford to lose. Only then you can able to cope with your emotions. Only then you won't get panic, you won't get greedy, you won't do revenge trading. So make sure trade with the money you afford to lose. But if you have a right strategy, trust me guys, you can make money. That is why I come here every week, show you my trades, show you the trades that we have been taking in the group, so that you can see and understand the power of entering with the conditions. Unlike the other fake Instagram gurus, they just show you the screenshots of this MT4 platform, showing you that they're making lots of money there, but they are not actually showing you their own trades. They are not actually showing you the conditions they've been entering the trade. That is why I come here and show you the way I enter the trade, so that you don't get caught up with these fake Insta gurus and stop spoiling your money with them. So guys, please be careful here. This market is very risky and you need to be very careful. Get a right education, get a right knowledge, demo trade first, and then jump in the live market. So finally, I'm going to show you indices trade I took, and with the exact condition you learn here on my YouTube channel and in my priority group. Let's quickly check that as well. So right here, just want to show you a trade right here. The market has been trending up, and as you can see, every time we have a pullback. The first one I had after the break of this pattern, this consolidation, we had a bullish reason. The price pushed a break above 50 EMA. Now when the market is trading above 50 EMA, I know that the market is now likely to trend upside. At this point, I had a condition right here. I took my trade, market made a new high. We had a pullback. Then we had another entry condition right here, followed by a pullback. I took this trade right here. So this was my 3 winning trades in a row until the market hit this area of value. And as you can see, we had a push down from here. So at this point, the price is now in the area of value, and I will look for the conditions accordingly. So that is how you can take your trades. Be patient. We have lots of opportunities in the market. I personally trade on 4-hour time frame, and I've just shown you the opportunities I got. But if you're trading on the smaller time frame, like 1 hour, 15 minutes, then trust me guys, there are so many opportunities in the market, and you can able to take many trade using the exact same strategies you are learning here, or if you're learning somewhere else, then you can take your trade according to that. Not talking about the strategies, if you are learning my course, if you are in my MMTA course, I'm going to upload new strategy very soon that is called a London prime time strategy, where we have a specific time of a trade and we have a specific candlestick pattern. Once you see that candlestick pattern, you enter your trade. So I'll be uploading that strategy in the strategy room very shortly. I'm doing some more testing on that strategy. Once it's ready, you will see that in your student portal. So with that being said, let's quickly start our analysis, starting with net gas, gold, silver, and crude oil. So as you can see, the price is falling down in a nice downtrend, but we did have the chunk of the take profit right here with this double bottom action. We took this trade in the priority group right here. That was a successful trade. That is what the motive is, to take some chunks of profit when the price is pushing down, hit this area of value. The goal is to get some profits in the pullback before the price can push down and continue with the trend. Now at this point, what to expect here? It is a very tricky situation here in net gas, so make sure that you watch the Owanda part of the video as well. But let's talk something here. Now as you can see, the support has been broken right here. At this point, we can expect some pullbacks from here. Now if we have a pullback can be the 50% retracement or can be in between this buffer zone. So this buffer zone, if you know me, if you know how I would take my trades using the Fibonacci tool, this buffer zone starts from 2.539, goes down to 2.492. So this is the buffer zone. If the price pulls back up, this is the zone from where we can expect another bearish candle, and we can continue to take short trade until the price hit this next level of minor support. Not a major support here at this point, but the support zone is 2.219, goes up to 2.325. This is the minor zone. We do have a major zone right here, which is way below right here, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming videos. But for now, we're going to pay attention to this zone first right here, and let's see how it reacts from here. Now we don't need to guess in the market. Enter your trade with a good condition. Now at this point, let's say how the market opens. If it opens just here in gap down, we will start to look for some pullbacks to the upside. If it opens gap up, then we will look for sell condition. So again, wait for the pullbacks, and we will continue to take short trade until the price is in this area of value. Now let me show you something here on Owanda. Right here on Owanda, price is at the support level. And let me show you here, it is a major support right here, and price has pushed up dramatically from this area, as you can see from this zone, and the zone has acted as a good level of support and resistance both. So that is why it's a bit tricky to enter your trades here. Now the way I will personally enter, as you can see, the price is in the area of value. We can still get a pullback, the one I've just mentioned on the currency.com data, and then fall to the lower level of this support. Now if the price just open in gap down here somewhere within this zone and give me a reason to enter like a bullish engulfer, I will enter my long trade here and use the ATR for the target. I won't be expecting a big reversal, but I will expect some bounce only if I get a reason to enter, a strong reason to enter here. So again, don't get confused. If we have a pullback, I'm only expecting a pullback to 50% retracement or to 20 EMA. If the price pushed up, I will still enter trade looking at the price is making new lower lows, not breaking above 20 EMA. I will only enter my buy trade if within this zone the price forms a bullish reason to enter, like my engulfers or my double bottom entry pattern, looking at the fact this is the zone that price has used in the past to push the market up dramatically. So that is why you need to keep an eye here. and only enter with a condition. If you have a buy condition in this area, we will enter buy trade. If you have a pullback followed by an engulfing candle, we will enter sell trade. I will not enter sell straight away at this point. So look for buying and selling conditions both. Now, if you remember, I told you the way we can manage the trade when the market is trending down. So this is a perfect example of that. So let me show you an example. If you are learning my course or if you are in my priority group, we have a swing high entry pattern right here. This is the entry pattern you should know. And if you would have entered here, and as you can see, if you manage your trade, that would be lots of profit. Now, I would only manage my trade in the market like this, and I will only manage my sell trades because the market is trending down. If the market is trending down in a nice trend, you can manage your sell trade, but I won't be managing my buy trades because in this trending market, the price can bounce and then start to fall again. That is why I use fixed targets like this to enter my buy trade when the market is falling. So that is a little lesson I want to give you if you want to manage your trade. So with that being said, keep an eye on this zone. The next zone, if the price keep on falling down, let's say we have a dramatic fall, the next zone we have is 1.818 goes up to 1.957. This is not a very strong zone, but this is a good zone. If the price falls, we will enter our counter trade if we do not have any reason to enter in this green zone. And do not forget, the price is still in the area of value. It's still not broken here on this platform, and enter your trade with the condition. Either it's sell, enter with a bearish engulfer. If it's a buy, we can expect some push down. And if I get a reason to enter, a buy reason to enter, again I will enter my buy trade, and I'll keep you guys updated in my next video what to expect from here. So let's quickly check MCX market as well. Right here, if you see MCX market, the price has broken below this zone. Now if the next candle close back up, then the price is still in a valid area of value. Price continue to fall. The next zone from where you can buy is 170 goes up to 182. This is the next zone from where you can buy. If the zone is broken with few more red candles, then the zone above will act as a trend continuation zone, and you can enter only sell trade with a retest until the price hit this next support level I've just mentioned. So let's check gold. So gold is now pushing down, came back in the previous level of resistance that has now turned support. This was a level of resistance previously, as you can see right here, that was broken, and now price is now back in this area. At this point, we can expect some pullback from the zone, and the pullback you can expect is something to 1891, and it can go up to 1905. So you can expect a pullback till here. We can expect little bounce out of this zone, and that bounce can be a pullback as well. Once we have a pullback, this can be your sell limit order. You can enter your sell trades here. If you want to enter in a less aggressive way, your engulfing candle, the bearish engulfing candle, will be your sell signal. But if you want to enter in an aggressive way, the 50% retracement can be your limit order. Targets will be 180R from here. So at this point, the price is bearish. Only pullbacks are expected before the price can push down from here again. So keep an eye here. I will update you guys with the next level of support in my next video. Let's check silver. Okay, awesome. Silver has now broken below the minor level of support. Now the support level will become a level of resistance similar as gold. We can expect a pullback, and that pullback can be your retest of this minor level, which is 22.65 goes up to 22.94, or that can be a retest of 50% right here retracement, 22.62. So we can expect a pullback of 50% retracement or this previous area, and then we can expect another fall until the price hit this next level of support, which is 21.77 goes up to 22.10. This is the zone from where we can expect some bounce, a pullback before the price can fall again. So this is the zone you can expect a push down to. Let's check crude oil. Right, so crude oil is now pushing down, and at this point broken below the level of support that will now turn resistance. At this point, we can only expect a retest of this zone, and we can only take sell trades from here. The level that has now broken is 73.99 goes up to 76.42. This was the recent level that has been broken, and we can only expect a retest of a pullback of few green candles before the price can fall again. Until when? Until the price hit this next minor level of support, not a major one. So we are not expecting a big bounces from here, which is 70.49 goes up to 71.47, a zone from where we can expect some bounce, and then price can likely to fall down if not reversing from here. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always buzz me on Instagram. And if you have made it to the end, do not forget to hit a like button. For me, it helps me in the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to learn more about trading, guys, I'm running a course which is called MMTA, the course where you will learn everything to become a profitable trader. You will learn everything from the basics to the intermediate to the advanced level and full journey to become a profitable trader. If you're interested, if you want to learn a full trading plan, this is something you need to look at. And before that, you have a welcome video here so that you can see what to expect from this course. That is it for today. I hope you trade green next week as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have an awesome weekend. Take care.